my channel. This is Miss Rose Things, and welcome to another mukbang. This is going to be a tomatoes, grilled cheese and tomato soup. Y'all can thank Lay's for this idea because I saw on Facebook that they had made grilled cheese with tomato soup. So this is the tomato soup, and this is the grilled cheese sandwich. You know, kind of burnt, whatever. Now I had seen on YouTube that they just dipped it in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, that's good. So since this update, this mukbang probably gonna be so short, but I will tell you guys that I did make a new gaming channel. I got rid of the old one. God, I just feel like starting over. Like I was at 14 subscribers and it just wasn't working for me. So the new channel is XROSESIMSX, but you could just call it Rose Sims. I don't know if it will just be a Sims channel. Probably not. Probably just be a little bit of everything. But mainly Sims. That's what I mainly want it to be. Wow, that's real good. And there's also on the other mukbang. I forgot to mention this in there because that one's the voiceover. This one's not. That they don't have the peach cobbler drink no more. So this was like something else somebody else made. It was lemonade, Sprite, and Coke. So basically a lot of acid because this added probably a lot of acid. So wish me luck. Yeah. Tomorrow's my friend's wedding. We call that. I'm kind of excited about it. My birthday is coming up. So by the time y'all seen this, my birthday already came and went. I'm probably gonna do a birthday video. That's probably up. Probably get ready with me or something. It depends. And I wanted to go to Outback. But here's something I did want from her birthday. I'm gonna get a gift for myself for Christmas. I want Sims 4 Realm Magic. That is what I want. That's what I desire. Wow, that's so good. There's something in it, yeah. And I've been watching like a lot of VHS tapes. Yeah, I'm thinking of changing the intro up too. Just trying to figure out how, because I want to move away from the slideshow thing. Make it the same theme song. Maybe change it up, you know. I'm hitting 5 years on YouTube, so thinking of changing up. Should I? Or should I not? That's what I want to know. Wow, this mukbang gonna be so short. And I also wanted to say that, excuse me, that's not what I wanted to say. For the weird, you know, I don't like weird people on my channel because, you know, some of y'all are weird. And I also don't want drama on my channel either. So if you have drama, don't come with me with it because I do not care. I'm just trying to grind here. I'm trying to get stuck out of the 550s. I've been stuck in the 550s for forever. So whoever subscribes, stay subscribed. I promise there will be more stuff to come, more interesting stuff. Y'all gotta talk to me. Y'all gotta be in the comments telling me what you want to see. If you want to see less mukbangs, okay. If you would like to see more vlogs, okay. Because I'm doing them I'm even well, by the time y'all see this, I participated in Vlogtober. Like, y'all need to tell me what you want to see, but I'm gonna eat some more of this soup and then I'm in this mukbang. This soup is really good though. I already said I never had tomato soup before, but I really didn't. So the tape I was watching upstairs is the Powerpuff Girls movie, when they had like, when they were first made and they were making all that mess. But my question is, was the movie made first, then the show, or the show, then the movie? Because I'm confused. Now I definitely buy this soup again because it's really good. I need to do some Q&As or something just to get the comment section moving. Yeah, but also I start driving school. That's basically not where you sit in the school, but where they actually take you out to drive. So wish me up with that, because it sure ain't been easy, and I'm excited for November because I usually buy my you know, my Christmas stuff, like the cherries and the eggnog and the what else? I think that's about it. Like all the Christmas stuff. Like I really don't eat anything else, I would say, during Christmas time. And then Valentine's Day, I can't believe this is gonna be my my third Valentine's Day with somebody, with an actual boyfriend. So I'm really excited about that. I've never been able to keep anybody that long, so it's really exciting. I guess Young Miami had her baby, whoever that is, from City Girls. So who would think it would be cool for the Simpsons their little game with the cars to come out? This couple posed naked for their engagement photos and wore nothing but slices of pizza. What the world? Recess live. Why y'all do that to Recess? The TJ Spinelli and all them. Who's in this? The Recess live action movie is here. TJ, Vince, Spinelli, Gretchen, Gus, and good old Mikey all grown up as teenagers. And the Ashleys are back. And even Randall and Miss Finster make appearances to make things official or unofficial. But you know what I mean. What we mean. Excuse me. That's it. That's it. Do we get like more info or whatever? Well, that's it for this mukbang. What the hell? Well, that's it for this mukbang. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.